So the Dad Channel regular viewers aren't confused. Carlos is one of my best, dearest friends in life. He's in California and he bought a 911 Carrera S and is just going through getting adjusted to the car. So this is, consider this kind of a short instructional video, I guess. I guess that's the category. Right, got it out from storage, from the winter storage, so it's not hibernating anymore. It wants to go out and play. Alright, Carlos, this is a Dad Channel extra short. I just want to show you something about paddle shifting, because I know you're going through a growth spurt here. So let's first of all identify places that throw sound well. We're at the back of a Walmart, and so watch what happens to the sounds here as we go through the back of Walgreens. It's really important when you do this that you wrap the engine out to at least 4,000 or 5,000 RPMs. So anytime you see physical objects around, anytime you see physical objects around you, like trucks or semis work well, they bounce sound well, walls, fences, trees that have kind of a natural color. When you're speeding up, or when you're making an entrance into the neighborhood. You with me? You follow me? You follow me? Carlos, this is a nice little add-on. You put a tow hook on the car, and stainless steel, minimalist. It's kind of a nod to racing. You have to have a tow hook before you go out on the professional tracks.